And here's I will show you how you can easily capture or record your computer screen using OBS. First of all, you have to download and install the OBS Studio on your computer. Once you successfully installed, just launch the OBS Studio. And now make sure you have created a scenes first of all. So to create a new scene, click on this plus icon. And here if you want to rename the scene, you can do it from here and click on OK. Now select the scene, and now we have to add here our sources. So under sources, click on this plus icon, and here to record your screen, you can select display capture, you can select window capture or video capture device. In my case, I'm selecting here window capture. And here if you want to rename it, you can do it from here and click on OK. And now window, click on this drop down, and here you will find the list of all applications you are currently playing on your computer. Now all you have to need, select the application that you want to record currently. And in order to record or capture your entire computer screen, then we have to select here display capture and click on OK. And here if you want to capture your computer cursor, then check this option and click on OK. And here you can resize your video or display just like so. And here you can see my entire computer screen added in the source panel. Now to record your computer display with your audio, then again click on this plus icon to create a new source. And here you can capture your input audio. So let's add audio input capture. Okay, click on this device and select your microphone. Click on OK. And in order to capture or record your computer output audio, click on this source icon again, and this time select here audio output capture. OK. And select here your speaker or output device. Click on OK. And here as you can see, I've added my computer screen. I added my computer audio input capture. Also I added my audio output capture. Now here under audio mixer, if you want to adjust your computer audio output capture, you can adjust it from here. You can adjust your output and input capture just like so. Now to start your screen recording, in this control section, just click on start recording. And that's it. Here as you can see, my computer screen is now recording. Now let's go back from here, and now let's go to a browser, and randomly I'm going to scrolling down this YouTube. And now to stop your recording, go back to your OBS, click on stop recording. And here this is the path where my recorded video saved. Now to find your recorded videos, click on File Explorer. Once you are in your File Explorer, in this left-hand menu, click on Videos. And here by default all of your OBS screen recorded video will export. So this is my this is my screen record video. So that's how we can actually record our computer screen with OBS. Thanks for watching.